Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this mini projector carry case. It has all these compartments to put your remote controls, your chargers, fire sticks for you to watch your projector on the go. Alright, so right here we have our mini projector carry case. This is offered in 4 different colors. They have it in black, blue, gray, and purple. I did happen to purchase the black color. It has so many compartments to put your remote controls, your chargers, your power banks, and it's got a very nice compartment at the bottom for your projector. So I have a mini projector that is got Android included in it, and it fits just fine in here, so you can see all the compartments. And at the bottom is the compartment for the projector. It is 7.75 inch high by 5.5 inch deep by 9.25 inches wide. It's got reinforced stitches. You can see how nice this looks, and it also has a little strap to hold in your projector. So here is my mini projector. I'm just going to slide it in here just like that. I'm going to take the straps, strap it up so it'll hold it in place. It has thick padding sandwiched between the layers of the material. It has several elastic bands and pockets that can hold accessories like HDMI cables, AV cables, remote controls. The bottom part, which has the rubber band for securing the device. 2 pockets for storing accessories. So at the bottom I've put my projector and its charging cable. So here at the top you've got some more compartments for the remote control, but I'm not going to put it in here because I don't want to scratch my projector. So on the top they have some more compartments right here, and you have like a little elastic band right here to hold them down. So this is a heavy duty nylon, stretch resistant and durable. It's thick padding sandwiched between 2 different layers. It's got several elastic bands to put your devices in there. It is sturdy handles. It's great for carrying around with you. So if you're going to the park or you're going to the beach and you want to watch your projector on the go, this is a great carry case. So I'm just going to go and put my remote control on this side because these are a little bit tighter, so they'll hold it without it moving around. And I got my fire stick right here at the top. And on this side, if you want to add more stuff, you can add more stuff right here. So in this bag right here, I do have a zipper, so I put the fire stick. I actually kept the HDMI connected to it, but you can remove that and have it separate. And then when you want to just close it up, you just close it up and zip it up. The weight of this is about 10.2 ounces when it's completely empty. It's got a nice little handles here. And it looks really nice. It secures your projector, so you don't have to worry about your projector falling or breaking. So if you're looking for a great carry case for your projector and your remote controls, including HDMI cables, I would highly recommend checking this one out. It is super nice. As you can see, it's fitting my projector, the charger, and the remote control, as well as my fire stick in here. I would highly recommend this carry case for your projector.